Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. Now we will discuss another cue card with simple answer. Describe an exciting activity that you experience with someone else. You should say what the activity was and who you were with, and when and where it happened, and why you went for it, and explain how you felt about it. Now I'm discuss with you sample answers. Firstly, we have to start with an exciting activity that I experienced with someone else was river rafting. I did this activity with my close friend during my summer vacation about 2 years ago. It happened in Manali, a beautiful hill station in Himachal Pradesh, India, which is well known for adventurous sports. We decided to go for river rafting because we both enjoy trying new and adventurous activities. Also, Manali is famous for the rafting in the Bias River, so we did not want to miss the opportunity. At the first, I was a little nervous because the river flow was very strong, but our instructor guided us properly and gave us safety instructions. The rafting experience was truly thrilling. The cold water splashing on our faces, the speed of the raft, and working together as a team made the activity very exciting. We were shouting, laughing, encouraging each other throughout the ride. I felt extremely happy and proud after completing that activity. It gave me a sense of achievement and strengthened my bond with my friend. Overall, it was a memorable and adventurous experience that I will never forget.